Bia Kamal was me ban roch ka Thok Nath Nuer language English basic phrase ka Nuer language school. Name formal greetings ka Thok English kana Thok Nath. Nana ala formal me yours kentama. Mi shao hello ka Thok English balar hello ka Thok Nath. Hello ki hello. Good morning. Good morning. Thok English. Male karunwang. Good morning. Male karunwang. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Male ke shangdar. Male ke shangdar. Good afternoon. Male ke shangdar. Good evening. Good evening. Male ke tiang. Male ke tiang. Good evening. Male ke tiang. How do you do? Wehidi keji. Wehidi keji. How do you do? Wehidi keji. Dere lel ka duob dir gui keja madong da holoy du keja. How do you do? Wehidi keji. Atieni janbo chede ka male. How do you do? Wehidi keji. Meridian guasa usually informal greetings. Hi, diranjo hi. Hi ka Thok Nath. Hey, hey. What's up, Teddy? What's up, Teddy? How is it going? How is it going? Wehidi. Wehidi. You know, they learn on Wehidi. How is it going? Wehidi. How are you? Male. Jen male makel. They don't joke. Male. How are you? Male. Guazame. Dob down a daily loikaje. Responses to greeting. Man day or day do a day loikaje. Dear Logi, I am fine. Thank you. Male. Chiloy the tet. Sometimes we learn no en male. Mugurije. Di larvo. En mal pointer ke han male check han male chiloy date thank you chiloy date me jogoran thank you an male thank you chiloy date I am fine thank you an male chiloy date I am good and you I am good and you wa agwa kajin wa agwa kajin not bad thanks chejek chiloy the tet chejek chiloy the tet michu not bad alo lanu chejek not bad no problem telerek thanks and thanks lo no chiloy the tet ba chirum de ranjo thank you ki thank chiloy the tet it's slow de lana ba I am doing well how about you I am doing well how about you wa agwa kajin we dikeje Kajin we dikaji kaji how about you kajin we dikaji ki we dikaji I am doing well how about you wa agwa kajin we dikaji Thok Nath kana Thok English mishika gor de kana luakalong kedati bulo jok bika gorno bika ngai kalkali shujo projeno bi channel bi subscribe bana je ka lesson do dien